Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where your PlayStation 5 controller is just not connecting to your PlayStation 5 for some reason. Now, there's a couple different ways to fix this. I will tell you, most of the time, it's usually just some type of, connection problem rather than an issue with your PlayStation 5 or your PlayStation 5 controller. So, the very first thing I would recommend doing is grabbing your USB Type-C cable and plugging it into your PlayStation 5. Now, with your PS5, it does have a USB Type-C port on the front. So you can go ahead and grab a USB-C to USB-C cable, plug it into one side on your PlayStation 5 controller, plug it into the other side of your PlayStation 5, and most of the time this will probably end up fixing the issue. Again, it's not every single time, but most of the time all it needs to do is just be connected one time via your cable, and then from there you can go ahead and use your PlayStation 5 controller normally as you would. Now, like I mentioned, this isn't like every single time, but most of the time this will probably end up fixing the issue. Now, if for some reason that doesn't work, what I would recommend doing is grabbing a different cable, seeing if that works. If that still doesn't work, I would recommend taking your PlayStation 5 controller and literally grabbing a USB Type-C charger, maybe from an Android phone or iPad, MacBook, whatever, plug it into the back of your PlayStation 5 controller and see if it even turns on. And you can do that by just holding down this button up here. Sometimes you can, click some other buttons here and there. If it's completely dead, then it wouldn't blink. Now you can see this controller, I think, is completely dead. Nope, it's on. And you want to make sure you can at least get into this specific panel, or at least this specific lighting situation. If it's blinking and everything, then it probably means it still works. If it's not blinking, even if it's been charged for a little while, then there may actually be a problem with your controller, and you may actually have to go and send it in to Sony to get it fixed or get a new one, or whatever the case is. If it doesn't blink at you, even if it's charging and everything, then this can be an issue that, your PlayStation 5 controller is probably faulty. But most of the time, this is exactly how to fix this type of issue. It's not an everyday situation that you'll run into this, but if it's a controller problem, I would recommend grabbing another controller, seeing if that fixes it. If it does, then you may have to buy another controller because this one is faulty. But the thing is that these controllers are fairly new, so you probably won't have to run into any of these issues right now, but probably within the next year or two, that's probably when these issues are going to start arising. So that's pretty much it. That's how to fix it, in my opinion. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.